yeah, you don't gotta break the bank for this one. Hang that phone up. We still outside, okay?
'Cause I heard it's the bomb. You got it going on.
Let's go. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me the unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her tea today because I am headed outside for the weekend. Ooh, it's a long weekend, y'all. I gotta get prepared. Ooh, wait a minute. And let me just say, this is a Vpart unit with no leave out. I did some things to get my part like this, and y'all, it was very easy. Beginner friendly. So if you want to see how I got this Vpart from A to Slay with no cornrow, no leave out, no tension, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their upgraded ScalpLook Vpart unit. It does come with the standard Vpart construction, but they have made some tweaks and upgrades to their cap construction so that you have a more natural and realistic blend to your Vparts with less leave out. You can choose your texture, Jerry curl or water curly. It is 150% density across the board. It has the upgraded counter pressure technology, meaning it should not be a lot of pressure or force from the combs on your hair. So you get one clip in the middle and then you get a comb in the front. I'm assuming that's to kind of counter the pressure. I personally don't really care for neither, but the clips does give a more secure fit. It does have the thin part leave out effect, so it does come with a more flattened down V part, so it's easier to blend whether you use leave out or not. We're gonna try to do no leave out, but I'm gonna try to do a little situation around the parting space. The unit is pre-layered, so there should be some layers around the front to the back, and my unit is 20 inches. So we are gonna test all that today on my short, thin TWA. Was that a bar? I'm pretty sure they sent me the water curly version. I've tried Jerry curly, and Jerry curly is a little bit tighter in the curl. This is after the wash. If I'm incorrect though, I will put it down below in my description box. It's a little bit flatter around the parting space, and then you get that flip over look on the V part. So you see the track here, but they have some hair coming from under, and then it flips over that parting space. Like I said, my hair is thin around the middle. PCOS took my hair out, okay? It's trying to do something. I don't really know what it's doing, to be honest. I'm just kind of leaving it alone. I had told y'all in a previous video that I added a new medication to my PCOS, medication regimen. And unfortunately, in some updated labs, some of my levels were a little bit high. So I wanted to stop that medication just to ensure that it wasn't causing my levels to go high. I'm not gonna play with my health, okay? So if it comes between, my organs and my hair, I'm gonna make sure my organs are straight first. And I feel like in stopping it, it made some of my hair fall out. I don't know if I'm seeing things or not, but I feel like my balding spot kind of have spread to the side here. I don't know if I'm seeing anything. I'm getting real scissor happy, y'all. So I'm itching to cut it off again. I don't know. Maybe my eyes are playing tricks on me because it wants me to cut my hair. But anyway, let's do a V part. So I want a side situation. I'm gonna use this hair. Let me clip this down. I'm gonna take my neck cap and I'm going to tuck the rest of my hair under. Flat, flat, flat. I'm gonna take, I should move this back a little bit. There we go. Part it down like so. Add a little twist right here. And then I'm just gonna tuck it under. I don't feel like doing the cornrow, so I'm not gonna do that. Comes with the clip and the comb. So I'm gonna undo the clip first. Let me see where it sits. It also has the elastic band and the drawstring in the back. Where is it? There it is. About to say, did I lose it? Okay. All right, so let's put it on my head first. So I can see how it fits on me. I gotta twist it. Nope. Let's twist. There we go. All right, now for the comb, I need it to set about here. Perfect. All right, see the comb? I open the comb up, I'm gonna take it, crisscross it over, and clip it to the other one, and then close it down. That's what I wanna do. Okay, it closes up that parting space. And then I'll just take the other comb and sit it here. Pull down the back of the hair so we can make sure it's flat. Now, if you don't like that, that's completely fine. You can definitely wear it as the as it is intended. Hold on, where's my claw clip? I don't know what I did with it. Take my drawstring. It's over here on the side now. Take that, tighten it down, lock it in place, tuck it under. Now I need to fix my part. So for this one in the front here, I could easily just bring this hair down like this to cover that, but I need to make sure it's gonna stay. So what I'm gonna do is take my my crochet hook, stick it through, and just crochet some of that hair through there. Okay, and for this side over here, I'm gonna start teasing it up near the parting space, so I don't need to crochet that side. Make sure I get under. Tease, 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 tease. Keep teasing. Make sure I get under this side. I see how it's doing that? No leave out. Do y'all see what it's doing? See a little gap right there? I gotta do that one. Where is it? There it is. Make sure I get back here as well, because I need to make sure that's not humpy or anything. Make sure I get the sides over here. Now if you want to use some bobby pins or, you know, extra security with the combs, or just cornrow the hair down so you can have a better anchor around the face, you can definitely do that. Okay, so while this is drying down a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and then we'll come back and finish up the styling. This is how we're looking now that we are dried down, but I want to add some curls to this wig. I think this is a 1/4, 3/4, something. It's a tiny one, so it's going to take the hair, wrap it around, add some curls. It's already a mixed curl, so you know, do what you will with your wig. So pretty. You don't gotta hold it too long. I wanna make sure I get up here at this root where I teased it at, just to make sure I have like a little extra curl, you know? It don't have to be perfect, because I want the hair to be kind of a little tousled all over the place. Make sure I get these ends. Not doing all of it, just a little bit. This is all optional. This is how I want to style my wig, okay? Bring this over. Is it raining? I think it's raining outside. Uh-oh. I mean, it's kind of the perfect wig for it, so whatevs. Okay, see? Perfect. Make sure you get the ends. I don't want no, like, frizzy ends. I want my ends to be defined. So I gotta use my curler to do that. I think that's good. Then I'm gonna take my comb. I'm just gonna back comb it a little bit. Give it a little bit more thickness. Again, this is only 150, so I gotta make it look thicker. This could cause tangling and snags. I don't care. Curly wigs are more forgiving than straight, so I can do this. Keep teasing where I need it. For my little bald spot right there, I'm gonna put a little bit of my Topic. I'm trying to grow that back in, but until then, I gotta do what I gotta do. Let me get the back, fluffing that too. Add a little bit more touch-up gel around my sides. Little Topic right there. Just sticking that up. Use a little bit of my hairspray on top here, just to make sure it's not gonna move. Cool. Use your products. Use a little bit of my sculpt powder right here in my part, just to kind of open that up or brighten that up a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Do y'all see this parting space? Do you see the parting space, the edges? Let me come up close so y'all can see. No crochet. This is teased up hair. Let me get my comb. Okay? See the, okay, just teased up. I did a little crochet right here just because of how I had that comb. But based on how this is looking over here, it probably wasn't necessary. I probably could just tease it up like I did this one. You know, you do what works for you, okay? Now I was a little nervous about this install because when brands say no leave out, I expect no leave out. And let's be honest, how that Vpart is constructed, it looks a little wonky when you clip it on your head. You can't just clip it like that and think that's no leave out. No, you gotta do a little something, something. And a little something, something, I did. I had no complaints whatsoever. None, okay? Absolutely none. And my forehead is out. Who am I? This is what 150 will look like once you tease it. If you plan on putting this wig on out the pack, don't complain to me. Your wig not looking like mine. You saw what I did. Hello? Do the work to get the looks. And I know somebody's already talking about how this is too much work. Listen, if you don't want your wig to look like mine, just say that. During my co-wash, I did get a little bit of shedding with this wig. I will have tangles in my wig because of how I teased it up. I'm not worried about it though because I will not be brushing through or combing through this wig no time soon. It's gonna be worn just like this. I will tell you to use moisturizing products on this hair. So I went in with my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and y'all, as soon as that conditioner hit that hair, perfection. It felt like butter. Use your conditioning and moisturizing products on this hair, not just water. It will get frizzy and brittle. You need products. Mine will be linked down below along with this wig. I do believe the cap construction of this unit allowed me to style this wig like this because as you saw, I didn't do no crochet. I didn't do no extra braiding. I did the bare minimum as far as the install is concerned. And then the styling is pretty much what got my wig to this. It is a good look and it's a good price. Yeah, you don't gotta break the bank for this one. Hang that phone up. We still outside, okay? And I don't feel no tension either. Even with moving my brows, I can feel it on there, but it's not pulling, it's not tugging. I don't feel like my hair is gonna get ripped out. This is on my head securely with no tension. That drawstring in the back definitely helps. So thanks, Nadula. I'm trying to figure out how I want my bang. Do I want it over like that? Do I want it like a flip over like this? How do I want it? How do I want it? I don't know. It depends on how much forehead I want to show. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Yeah. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.